Hello guys, this is Mind of Technology and Info YouTube channel. Please subscribe to this channel. In this video, let us unbox and see the detailed review of Lenovo K10 Note mobile. It is one of the best mobile to buy in 2020 for cost around 11,000 rupees. This is the smartphone. They have written that it comes with Snapdragon 710 processor. It has Max Vision display. The display is of Full HD plus resolution. It comes with telephoto lens which are of 16 megapixel at rear. It gets 3 triple cam setup. Now let us remove the cover of this phone and see how the smartphone will look like. This is how the smartphone will look. There is a camera bump here. It comes with a back mounted fingerprint scanner. It is available in black color, but if you see this color in detail, it looks like violet color. They have given triple rear cam setup. This phone is thin as compared to other mobiles. It comes with 4000 mAh of lithium ion battery. I have been using this mobile since 3 months. I found it best. It will never hang. We can play heavy games like PUBG. They have also given Lenovo branding here. Here they have given 16MP A1 triple cam setup. This is the flashlight of this camera. This is the flashlight of this mobile. This is the fingerprint scanner of this mobile. On the top side of this mobile, they have given the primary microphone. On bottom, they have given the speaker grill. This smartphone will support Dolby Atmos audio both in speaker and headphone jack. This is the USB Type-C input. This is the secondary microphone. This is the 3.5mm headphone jack. At right side, it gets volume rockers and power on-off button. At left side, it gets a hybrid SIM tray. It means now I will show you after opening the hybrid SIM tray. These are the components that come with the mobile provided. They did not provide any PPU case. We should buy it separately. This is the quick instruction user manual for this smartphone. This is also some sort of user manual. It comes with 18 watts charging. We can say that it will support fast charging. This is the USB Type-C cable, which is of nice build quality. Now I will show you after opening the SIM tray of this mobile. This mobile comes with hybrid SIM slot, so at a single time we can place only 2 SIMs. It comes with hybrid SIM slot, so we can either place a single SIM and memory card or 2 SIMs at a time. We cannot place 2 SIMs and memory cards at a single time. Now let us keep all the things away and see our mobile phone. This is our Lenovo K10 mobile phone. Now let us set up our mobile phone. It comes with Snapdragon 710 processor, as I said before, and it comes with Android 9 out of the box. It should have been Android 10 because nowadays all smartphones are coming with Android 10 support. This is one of the cons that I have noticed in this Lenovo K10 Note mobile. It comes with Android 9. It should have better if they give with Android 10 out of the box. I have already completed my setup in this mobile because I have been using this since 3 months. This mobile phone comes with triple rear cam setup. There is a small camera bump here, so we should be careful while using this mobile. It is better to use a PPU case like this. I have bought it separately because they will not provide PPU case with this mobile. This smartphone comes with A1 16MP camera and 5MP camera, and also the third camera is of 8 megapixels. Out of these three cameras, one will provide 2x optical zoom and 6x digital zoom. In total, it provides us 8x zoom when we take photos. This 16MP camera comes with telephoto lens. At this price, no phone comes with telephoto lens except this Lenovo smartphone. The second camera is of 5 megapixel. It is for depth sensor, and the next camera is 8 megapixel. It works as macro camera as well as night mode camera. This smartphone comes with an integrated super night mode through which we can shoot stunning photos during night times. At front, it comes with 16MP A1 selfie camera. This is the 6.3-inch dewdrop Full HD plus resolution full view display. Lenovo has said that it is able to provide 16 million colors because it comes with HDR support as well. These speakers will support Dolby Atmos audio. At this price range, another smartphones will not support Dolby Atmos audio and HDR 10 plus version. So if you give importance to camera, display, audio and also performance, you can buy this smartphone because it gets Snapdragon 710 processor through which we can play games without any efforts. I have been using this mobile since 3 months. I never felt stucking or hang when I play games. There are no frame drops as well. So if you want to play games and if you give importance to display and sound, you can buy this mobile without any enquiries. When we compare this mobile with Redmi and Realme mobiles, it will provide us excellent audio and video quality at this price range. This smartphone will come with rear facing fingerprint sensor which will unlock the smartphone in no time at all. Nowadays all the smartphones are coming with rear mounted fingerprint sensor and it will recognize our fingerprint very easily. This smartphone will not come with integrated facial unlock, but the Google services will provide you for this smartphone. The facial unlock is somewhat lacking, but the fingerprint sensor will work perfectly. As you saw, the fingerprint sensor will work perfectly. It is very quick and we can unlock our phone without any effort. If we talk about the camera, it will come with extraordinary quality. There is one special feature in this mobile. We can turn on super quality mode, which will provide the photos with more colors and deep blacks as well. The camera of this smartphone can support 4:3, 16:9, 18:1 and 1:1 ratios. I prefer 16:9 if you are shooting landscape videos. This smartphone is able to record videos at Ultra HD, Full HD and 720p. The Ultra HD videos are pretty good at this price range when compared to other smartphones. Now I will show you some photo clips which I will take by using this Lenovo K10 mobile. This is the video that is shooted by using this Lenovo smartphone. It is able to pause and play the video in middle. We can also capture photos while recording our video. As you can see, the focusing of this camera is very good. It automatically adjusts its focus because it comes with macro lens as well. At front, this smartphone comes with 16MP selfie camera. It is able to shoot perfect photos in daylight conditions as well as night conditions. The bokeh effect in this camera will work pretty good, but it takes some time to save these photos. As you can see, the photos clarity is pretty good. In Pro mode, we can also take photos by simply waving our finger near the selfie camera, which is placed on the top of the smartphone. As you can see, when we allow this icon and swipe our finger over the selfie camera, it will automatically take photos. This is also a special feature in this smartphone. As you can see, this smartphone will support HDR content. The maximum resolution of this smartphone is 1080p at 60 fps. As you can see, the video clarity and the audio clarity is pretty good in this smartphone. The colors will be vibrant because it supports HDR content. The audio that you have been listening now is of Dolby Atmos audio. The only sad thing about this smartphone is that it will not come with Gorilla Glass protection. So we should handle the smartphone carefully. Due to its large size and Full HD resolution, we can enjoy stunning details and movie-like experience. If you use headphones, the Dolby Atmos audio can be felt superbly. It provides surrounded effect. This smartphone comes with inbuilt Dolby Atmos audio that is also with 3 modes. It gets dynamic mode, music mode and movie mode. In movie mode, we can experience 8D surrounded audio. There are also equalizers through which we can adjust our audio as your wish. This smartphone will also come with 4D touch, through which we can disable these 3 navigation buttons. Instead of it, we can use these type of functions. If we swipe the smartphone screen from bottom to top, it will let you back. If you have to open recent tabs, you should swipe from right to left of the smartphone. These are the recent tabs. In this way you can use 4D touch, through which we can enable buttonless display. If you don't want it, we can also enable navigation keys. There is also a special feature through which we can turn on our camera. If I shake the mobile like this, it will automatically turn on the camera. It will also come with pocket dial protection, through which it allows us to ensure no wrong clicks happen when the smartphone is in our pocket. This smartphone comes with Android 9 version. The smartphone comes with Android 9 Pie version. It would be better if it come with Android 10 version. Lenovo has confirmed that it will soon offered in Android 10 version by the software update. It comes with 64 GB of internal storage. It has Qualcomm Snapdragon 710 octa-core processor. The clock speed of this processor is around 2.2 GHz. This smartphone is offered with 4 GB RAM. This smartphone comes with the security patch of 1st October 2019. It would be better if they provide the security patch of 2020 version. This smartphone comes with 4000 mAh of lithium polymer battery. I have tested this mobile by using long periods. It will last up to 12 hours or more than that with a single charge if you use the mobile continuously. So I would say the battery backup is perfect. It is also coming with fast charging support. It comes with 18 watts fast charging, so it takes around 1.5 hours to completely charge the mobile phone. And the smartphone will come with LPDDR4X RAM. This smartphone's Antutu score is above 1 lakh, so we can play games in this mobile without any effort. At an average usage, the mobile phone will work fabulously. This smartphone is coming with eMMC technology of storage, which is acceptable at this price range. This smartphone is also coming with a notification light at the top of the smartphone. If you are looking for a smartphone with telephoto lens at the cheapest price and good performance, good audio and video quality with a large battery backup, then you can buy this mobile without any enquiry. Thank you for watching this video guys. Please subscribe to this channel.